Alright guys, now I'm changing the oil on the Kawasaki FS600V. It's on the Wright Stander mower. Anyway, this setup's a little different. They don't give you a hose, which I wish they would. So I had to get this rubber hose so I could drain it. And here, I got the hose, it's a little too big. That's why it's leaking a little bit, but it's also getting some of it in there as well. Here's your oil filter where you put your oil and check your oil. So I'm going to drain this out and change the oil on it. Air filter, a little different on this motor. I wish it had more of a standalone air filter, but it doesn't. So it has that, which it hasn't given me any problems, but you know, I like the standalones a little better, a little easier to mess with and do a little better job in my opinion. But so once I get this oil all drained, I'll put a new oil filter in there and fill it up and it'll be good to go. But not too difficult. So anyway, here's what the air filter looks like. As you can see, it is dirty, and I'm glad I'm changing it. I mean, lots of debris in this one, and that's just in this little cover portion. This little outer part does slide off. You get to the main filter. As you can see, they do get dirty. Lots of dirt. Alright, got it cleaned up pretty good. It comes with a little thumb screw normally on these. Just slide it back in. Real simple, guys. Nothing. You don't need to have a degree from MIT to do this stuff. And we'll just tighten it back up. It doesn't need to be super tight. And throw this back on. Just give them half a turn until it locks in. You're good to go. Waiting on this oil to finish draining, I'll get it changed out.